how to create a drop-down list in Excel. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Creating a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel is simple using data validation, and here's how you do it step by step. First of all, we can go over and open up Excel on our device. After that, we can head over to Excel and go to the cell where we want to basically add the drop-down. Once we've selected it, we can go to the Data tab in the top of the screen and look out for the option called Data Validation. So go ahead and find that option here. Just select a cell and go to this option called Data Validation and click on it. Once we have clicked on it, it will appear. Now in this dialog box, what we can do is under Allow, just go over and drop it down and select the option of List. After that, in the source section, we can type in the items separated by commas. For example, apple, comma, banana, comma, orange, etc. And just go over and click on OK. Once you've done that, your cell will now have a drop-down list. You can go ahead and view it here this way and add it. Another method we can use is we can enter up our list items in a column first. So go ahead and enter up the list items. For example, something like this. After that, you can select the cell where you want to add the drop-down. Once we've done that, we can look out for the option called Data again and go to the section for Data Validation. After that, we can go over and under Allow, select the option of List here. And in the source section, we can type in this one right here, something like this. So you can just go and select up the sales and add in a column in between. After that, click on OK. And once you do, it will provide us a drop down that we